Okay, I did care why I'm doing this, but my friend wanted me to record. You can see in the chat. So, I'm going to record. I'm letting her know right now. I'm broke. Since I just got Gigi, I'm broke. Alright. Alright, this is a random Gigi run. Oh yeah, let's go gambling. An air horn? Are you serious? Uh-oh, ran out down. Oop. Oh no. I'm out of stamina. No, Gigi. My twin cousin. Just kidding, not twin cousins. What's the inside of my face look like? It lagging. Help, I'm lagging. Help, I'm tweaking. I'm tweaking, help. Ouch. Dang it. Yippee! Oh yeah, wrong Gigi. Here's your rainy day, Gigi. That's my friend. I will give you a shout out if you have a channel. It's just my siblings. Want my account. Oh my god, name. I bet at the stamina girls. Goob. Oh no, I'm cooked. I'm stupid. I'm stupid when we ever get Goob. Don't grab me. Okay, Gooby Goob. Ah! Get away from me. Goob. Ew. That was a close one. Get away from me, Goob. Let me use air horn. And I'm gonna run away. Hee hee. Ooh, let's gambling. No! No, who died? Which Gigi died? That better not be the dirty one. Nah, Goob got me. No. No. I'm literally recording. Yeah, restart. Yeah. Oh shoot, I forgot I even had my trinket. Hi, Goob. I'm just invincible over you. You're just following me. Alright. Okay, now my friend is V. Now we're gonna do a restart. Come on, V. Wait a minute, am I supposed to be a sprout today or whatever? Wait, you got this skin already? What the hell? I wish I had V now. Gonna make me feel bad. Okay. Okay, just me and my friend. As most people say, my fiance. Just kidding. That is not my fiance. Alert. That is not my fiance. I'm just kidding. I swear I'm kidding. I swear. I bet she's gonna end up using the remote. Oh no, she's using Dog Plush and Speedy shoes. Okay.
Yeah.
I gave myself instructions. Wow. Okay, bye. This is going to be a disaster, right? Because my brother's messing